just finished up another stream. Figured it was probably time for another vlog. As you can see here, we have something on the screen, which is kind of interesting, right? We got other junk. Oh, and what's this over here? Oh, it's a keyboard. Huh. What we got on the screen? Well, let's just go over here. Press the Enter key to clear the screen. Wow. What if we type something in? Like, well, would you looky there? If we press the Enter key. Whoa. And what if we just hold something like the A key until it runs off the screen? Oh my goodness, it automatically scrolls. Anyways. That was just kind of satire from me showing keyboard fully works. It's got a keyboard buffer and everything. So, oh, and I guess we should show backspace. It does have backspace functionality. So we're ready for the next step. Soon I will no longer be switching, programming with these switches and buttons. And this will be basically debug, no longer programming. Which will be great to move away from that for programming, and it'll all be done through the keyboard. So, yeah, and this is all running on this bottom half of circuits, so you don't actually need all of this garbage if you were doing this yourself, which I'll go over more later. But for now, this is just a vlog showing the progress that has been made, and the keyboard works, and it even ignores things like up arrow. But it doesn't have shift, unfortunately. I say unfortunately, I can add it. I already have a plan to add it, but I don't want to add it because I don't need it. And honestly, right now, programming with switches and buttons is so annoying. Anything I don't need, I'm not going to do. So, yeah, that's it for this video log. Until next time.